Little kitty.
Hello kids, how are you? Hope you are fine. Today we learn basic English words. We learn vocabulary and also sentences. So are you ready to learn basic English words? So let's get started. Ball, ball, ball. I want to play ball. Bag, bag, bag. The color of my school bag is red and yellow. Bag. Pencil, pencil, pencil. I am writing on my notebook with my pencil. Pencil, pencil. Shoes, shoes, shoes. I have a new shoes. Hat, 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 hat. Please give me my hat. Her hat. Toys, 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 toys. I am playing with my toys. Table, table, table. This table is made of wood. Blackboard, blackboard, blackboard. Please write on the blackboard. Chair, chair, chair. You can sit on the chair. Basket, basket, basket. We can use basket for many purposes. Tall, tall, tall. I clean my face with towel. Towel. Cell phone, cell phone, cell phone. Call me on my cell phone. Cell phone. Paper, paper, paper. I am writing on the paper. Paper. Stone, stone, stone. I saw too much stones. Red, red, red. I really like red color. I like the bright red color. Red, red. Blue, blue, blue. The color of water is blue. Kite, kite, kite. I like to fly the kite. Flower, flower, flower. The color of flower is pink. Box, box, box. Put all the mess into the box. Scissors, scissors, scissors. Cut this paper with this scissors. Scissors. Electric fan, electric fan, electric fan. This electric fan is working very well. Spoon, spoon, spoon. These spoons are in 3 sizes. Cup, cup, cup. The tea in this cup is too hot. Fork, fork, fork. We eat food with a fork. Fork. Candle, candle, candle. We light a candle to make the room bright. Tree. 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 Trees give us shade and fresh air. Books. 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 We read books to gain knowledge and wisdom. Books. Books. Slippers. 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 We wear slippers to keep our feet warm and cozy. Stove. 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 We cook food on the stove. Stove. Balloon. Balloons. Balloons. We blow up balloons to decorate the party. Balloons. Window. 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 We look outside through the window. Window. Airplane. 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 We travel to far places by airplane. Airplane. Bicycle. 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 People ride bicycles for exercise and fun. Car. 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 We drive to school and work in a car. Car. House. 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 We live with our family in a house. School. 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 Children go to school to learn and study. Farm. Farm. Many people work on a farm to grow crops, raise animals. Church. Church. People go to church to pray and worship. Market. Market. We buy fresh fruits and vegetables from the market. Street. Street. People walk, drive, or ride bicycles on the street. River. River. We go fishing and boating on the river. Mall. Mall. We go to the mall to shop and watch movies. Pond. 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 Ducks and fish swims in the pond. Room. 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 We sleep and relax in our room. Store. Store. You can set up an online store to sell products to customer. Library. Library. A library is a great place to research for your business. Mountain. Mountain. Mountain views can attract tourists. Sea. Sea. The sea is a popular tourist destination. Bakery. Bakery. I like to eat the cakes from the bakery. Restaurant. 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 I celebrate my birthday in the restaurant. Hills. 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 I go to the hill stations every vacations. Father. 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 My father love me so much. Grass, grass, grass. Grass is green and softened to be seen. Grass. Mother, mother, mother. I really love my mother. Mother. Leaf, leaf, leaf. The color of a leaf is green. A leaf is a creative logo idea. Brother, brother, brother. I have 2 brothers. Sisters, sisters, sister. Sister is sweet and can't be beat. Baby, baby, baby. Baby is small and loved by all. Grandmother, grandmother. Grandmother is kind and always on your mind. Grandfather, grandfather. Grandfather is wise and a loving surprise. Janitor, janitor, janitor. Janitor cleans with care and keeps everything fair. Patient, patient. Patient waits with a smile and gets better all the while. Doctor, doctor, doctor. Doctor heals with gentle care and makes everyone better. Farmer, farmer, farmer. A farmer grows with busy hands and brings fresh food to the land. Farmer. Teacher, teacher, teacher. A teacher guides students learn every day. Vendor, vendor, vendor. Vendor sells with a happy face. Pilot, pilot. Pilot flies with skill so bright and take passenger through day and night. Gardener, gardener. Gardener plant with gentle care and make flower bloom every day. Fisherman, fisherman. Fisherman sails with a hopeful grind and catches fish from the ocean. Man, man. Man works hard with a helping hand and takes care of his family in a loving land. Boy, boy. Boy plays outside with a happy face. Boy. Girl, girl, girl. Girl smiles sweet with a gentle way and brighten up each and every day. Girl. Milk, milk, milk. Milk is cold and good to hold and makes our bones strong and bold. Milk. Fruits, fruits. Fruits are sweet and fun to eat and grow on trees where they love to meet. Fruits. Rice, rice, rice. Rice is white and a tasty sight and fill our tummies with delight. Rice. Juice, juice. Juice is fresh and a healthy refresh and quenches our thirst with a happy swish. Water, water, water. Water is a clear and fun to hear and help our bodies to stay healthy and dear. Apple, apple. Apple is red and a juicy in head and grow on trees where it's carefully fed. Banana, banana, banana. Banana is yellow and curvy to follow and peels with ease for a tasty hollow. mango, mango. Mango is sweet and a tropical treat and grows on trees where it can't be beat. Mango, mango. Bread, bread. Bread is a warm and freshly formed and fills our tummies with a happy storm. Orange, orange. Orange is round and colorful sound and peel with ease to segment all around. Chicken, chicken. Chicken is brown and clucks all around and lays eggs with a happy sound. Chicken. Alligator, alligator. Alligator is green and lives in a scene and swim in water with a snappy sheen. Lion, lion. Lion is bold and has a story to be told and roars with pride in a savanna so called. Fish, fish. Fish is fine and swims with a spine and glides through water with a shiny skin. Dog, dog. Dog is loyal and wags with joy and brings us friendship with a friendly employee. Rat, rat. Rat is quick and scurries with trick and hides in hole with a sneaky flex. Bear, bear. Bear is strong and roams all the day long and cuddle up tight with a happy songs. Bear. Goat, goat. Goat is agile and climbs with a giggle and eat the leaves with a happy jiggle. Worm, worm. Worm is small and wiggles through all and tunnel underground with a squirmy call. Butterfly, butterfly. Butterfly is free and flutter with glee and spread its wings in a wonderful spree. Butterfly. Bee, bee. Bee is busy and buzzes with ease and collects its honey with a happy squeeze. Bee, bee. Monkey, monkey. Monkey is playful and swings with a sway and leap through a tree in a happy way. Tiger, tiger. Tiger is fierce and roars with might and prowls through jungle with a gentle night. Mouse, mouse. Mouse is tiny and scurries with peace and rides in holes with a quiet face. Turtle, turtle. Turtle is slow and moves with a go and carries its home with a steady flow. Elephant, elephant. Elephant is a big and remembers with a gig and trumpets loudly with a happy jig. Elephant. Kids, this video is specially made for you to ease with sentences and vocabulary. If you like this video, subscribe my channel, share to your friends and don't forget to press the like button.
Thanks for watching.